Ever felt that familiar pang of worry when a loved one with a Mamopay card is out and about? Maybe you've imagined a scenario where they accidentally overspend, or worse, fall victim to a scam. We all want to give our children, our parents, or even a caregiver the freedom to make purchases, but what if there was a way to give them that freedom while also ensuring their financial safety? What if you could put a little safety fence around their spending? That's the question we're tackling today. Can you set limits on a Mamopay card? The answer is a resounding yes, and it's a game changer for anyone looking to add an extra layer of control and peace of mind. This isn't about micromanaging, it's about responsible financial management and preventing potential headaches down the road. Let's break down exactly how you can do this. The key is in the Mamopay app itself. When you issue a card to a user, whether it's a family member or an employee, you retain control from your main account. Think of it like being the head of a small, personal bank. From your dashboard, you can define the rules of engagement for each card you've issued. The first and most powerful tool at your disposal is the spending limit. This isn't just a suggestion, it's an enforced cap on how much can be spent in a given period. You can set daily, weekly, or even monthly limits. So, if you've given a card to your child for school lunches, you can set a daily limit of, say, $15. Once that limit is reached, the card simply won't work for the rest of the day. It's a simple, effective way to teach budgeting and prevent impulsive spending on things that aren't on the approved list. But the control goes even deeper. You can also set transaction limits. This is particularly useful for preventing large, single purchase errors. Imagine your elderly parent with a Mamopay card. You might be comfortable with them making small grocery runs, but you'd want to prevent a single transaction of several $100s. By setting a transaction limit, say $100, any attempt to spend more in one go will be declined. It's a proactive way to protect them from potential scams or honest mistakes. And it gets even better. Mamopay also allows you to control the types of transactions that can be made. You can block specific categories of spending. Don't want the card used for online gaming or international purchases? You can turn those off with a tap. This level of granularity is what makes the Mamopay card more than just a payment tool, it's a customizable financial guardrail. You're not just giving a card, you're creating a tailored spending profile that fits the needs and maturity of the user. What's the real benefit of all this? It's peace of mind. It's knowing that you've put safeguards in place without having to constantly monitor every single transaction. It's about building trust and responsibility, giving a user a sense of financial independence within a secure framework. For parents, it's a fantastic way to introduce financial literacy. For caregivers, it simplifies managing expenses. And for anyone, it's a smart way to manage your finances. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.